Hi, today I'm going to be unboxing this Lovevery box. It's called the Looker, and it's for weeks 0 to 12, which is perfect because that's what Xander is. As you see, I live in a house full of toys, but you just never have enough and you never have the right thing, and sometimes it can be really overwhelming. So I love how organized their system is, Lovevery's. So let's take a look at what's inside the Looker.
I just love all of the bright, fun colors. So for example, this mobile, for the beginning, you can do the black and white over their head, and then you can switch it to the colors. Here we have, this is super cute. You can set it up like right now I've got Xander doing tummy time. So I could set this up for him. He can look at the colors on the back, and then I can place cards here for him to keep motivated during his tummy time. So I'm placing the high contrast cards here, and you can use different designs so you can switch it up for him, and then I'll place it in front of him. There's also a travel card holder. So this is all super safe fabric, and then the vinyl covers. So if you want to go to the park or you're traveling, you can take that with you to keep baby entertained.
And of course you gotta have something for mom and dad. So this mug is just so accurate. The days are long, but the years are short. Cheers to that. So true.
So at this age, 0 to 12 weeks, it's all about high contrast to start. So these are little mittens that you can put on. They can play with them. It also protects their hands from scratching themselves with their fingernails. I've got Xander in my lap now, so you might hear baby noises. So one of my favorite things about Lovevery is just how organized it all is. So it comes with this book. It says, here's what's inside. The complex black and white card set, Lullaby Lyrics. So there's a whole book of lyrics and baby songs. The silicone rattle with removable ball. And so it's so organized for you, and it says things to do. So in the first 4 weeks, here are some things, they focus 8 to 12 inches. And it gives you tips that are so helpful with how to engage them. And then it also gives you different activities and really breaks down how to make the most of your Lovevery box. Say, hey, Xander. So we're checking out this. Say, hey, Xander. Do you see yourself? Hi. I love this cute wooden book. It's so precious. It's definitely like the first book. And so it's whales, turtles, it's thick wooden and high contrast, which is best for this first stage. Lovevery also breaks down materials and care. So the wooden block we just talked about, it tells you that it's FSC sustainably harvested wood with water-based non-toxic finish. And then it also tells you how to take care of it. Gonna a cappella sing some lullabies. Let's see if he can take my voice. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Papa's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you're still the sweetest little baby in town. He loves singing, and it's good for him and it's good for me. And I love in this book too, it just kind of gives you some tips, that this first 0 to 12 weeks, take pride in the job you're doing. Take a break from notes. Connect with your partner. Compassion about balancing things. Do you want mommy to keep singing? Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I give 2 thumbs up for the Looker box for 0 to 12 weeks from Lovevery. All the information is in the description below if you want to get one of your own, and I'll see you next time. Bye.